Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upload CapCut project from Android to PC. So if you regularly use CapCut as your video editor, you can synchronize your mobile version or Android version into your PC version. So you can edit your video projects on PC or vice versa. So let's start. All you have to do is make account. This is the first step, very important. You can make account, or you can join CapCut Pro. After that, you can use this space. You can get 15 GB for free, but if this is not enough, you can purchase the plan. Here there's 1000 GB, 100 GB, 10 GB, or if you join Pro, you can get 100 GB cloud space storage. So if you have space here, you can upload. Right now you can tap upload to space and then upload. So backing up draft, it means your projects is already synchronized with your PC version. Make sure you log in into your same account with mobile version or PC version. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.